Linde Polymer Tec Co., Linde, established in 2004, is a company that specializes in research, development, design, manufacturing, and sales of rubber seals. With a total investment of $20 million, the company covers 48,000 square meters in Xiamen, China. The company produces a variety of rubber compounds and seals, with over 3,000 material formulas and 2,000 product specifications. The products are suitable for various fields, including automotive, aviation, machinery, petrochemical, sanitary ware, medical, food, electronics, national defense, military, and industrial sectors. The company has achieved a product yield rate of 97.1% since its establishment. The company has passed ISO TS17949 quality certification, UL, and NSF certification, and is in line with major industrial countries' standards. In the future, Linde plans to focus on TQM, ISO 14001, and other management system certifications. The company's corporate culture aims to become a global strategic partner and focus on staff development, upgrading production technology, and providing socially responsive products and services. Hope to cooperate with you.